it's Queen Monroe and welcome back to the Red Carpet Curls YouTube channel. So today's video is a super exciting one. As you guys can see from the channel, I love Tailored Beauty products. Today they sent me their brand new product, which it was so exciting. It literally came with a little letter that says, Tailored Beauty, you're first. Hey Beauty, we're excited to announce the launch of our newest product. You are the first to see, feel, and experience our newest product, the Clay Detox Bar, which will be available October 2020 on our website. Let us know your thoughts and share them with your audience on social media. Thank you so much for being a part of the Tailored Beauty family. Now, if this wasn't enough to make me feel super special, considering I've done other collaborations with them and my hair always comes out amazing like it did today, so this was my very first time using the shampoo bar. I'm gonna take it out just to show you. Has all the little white residue from like the soapiness in my hair and everything. But this is what the bar looks like, okay? I even did an unboxing so you can see how it looks. But the moment you take it out the box, it smells like nothing but peppermint essential oil. And I always reference peppermint, like I associate peppermint with clean, because my best clarifying shampoos, my best shampoos ever have all had that peppermint smell. So what I loved about it was how quickly this lathered up. I was a little bit skeptical just because a lot of shampoo bars on the market, they're marketed as shampoo bars, but they're really just soap bars, you know, so it causes scum or it just might be too drying on the hair. It really depends on the formulation of the shampoo bar. So when I got this one, I was like, oh my God, I'm excited. A new product, a brand specifically that I trust. I trust Tailored Beauty with everything in me. I've trusted my hair to Tailored Beauty for over 2 years now. And every single time I use their products, I have beautifully, beautifully defined curls each and every time. But not only that, I have volume that just keeps on growing as days 2 and 3 keep going. So considering that I have really fine density hair, the most important thing to remember for fine density curls or waves, whatever hair type you have, whatever hair texture, fine density gets weighed down super quickly. Like I'm telling you, you could look at some products and just overdo it. It's just how the density is. There's not enough space within the actual hair strand to hold in all of the moisture you're looking for. So the most important thing is to constantly clarify, cleanse your hair. You don't want to over cleanse, because clarifying too often will lead to split ends and breakage, because you're taking all that good moisture out of your hair and not enough of the bad buildup and stuff like that. So when I was trying the shampoo bar, the first thing I look at always are the ingredients. So the first 5 ingredients are what 80% of the product is roughly made of. So distilled water, which is pure water, saponified oils. Listen, it's oil that's been turned into soap, okay? Of that babusu oil, which is really, really good, especially for high porosity hair, like sealing that. Olive oil, which is very, very nourishing for the scalp, as well as very moisturizing for the hair. It softens the hair. Castor oil helps the hair grow in thicker, longer, and palm oil is also known for hair growth as well. And then the 6th ingredient right after is bentonite clay. I flippin' love bentonite clay, especially for fine hair, because it's like an anionic surfactant. It literally absorbs all the oil, excess oil, all the buildup and product that was stuck in your hair. So I really wanted to put this bar to the test, because I just finished doing a wash and go tutorial with some products that did not work out for my hair too nicely. I was able to get a pretty decent wash day look out of it, but my hair did not feel good. It felt very dry, very rough. So and it kind of felt a little weighed down because of the formulation of the products. So to trust a brand new shampoo bar instead of my holy grail, which is the Anasi Naturals Soothing Mint Sulfate Free Clarifying Shampoo, to switch that out, it was a really nerve-wracking change, because like I said, fine density hair like mine, being weighed down is the #1 issue I come across. So when it comes to applying my products pea-sized amounts at a time to build a proper foundation to have my hair moisturized without weighing it down. So when I took this bar out, my hair, I can actually show you right now, this is how my hair looked. before I detangled it, before I got into the shower or anything. This is me waking up, having slept in only a satin scrunchie that you see me take out and satin pillowcases. That is it. That is what my hair looks like. So you can already see I had my problem areas. So once I use my Q Redo hair steamer to detangle my hair, this is my favorite way of starting any treatment. The steam is going to help open the cuticle layer of your hair, which is going to lift the scales on your cuticle, which is going to allow the shampoo bar to actually deep clean even easier. It's going to immediately effectively penetrate the hair and start cleansing. So once I came out the shower with soaking wet hair, I applied it to soaking wet hair because remember, this is a soap. You need water to help spread the suds around. And the moment I put it on the top of my head like that and started going in a circular motion, this foam started to spread so quickly. Like I really was expecting to do a lot more work than I did and use a lot more product than I did, but I didn't. It was very, very quick and easy. It was a thick moisturizing foam, so I didn't feel like my hair was really, really dry in the process of trying to scrub. And because of the peppermint essential oil, I had this really nice, beautiful, clean kind of smell, and that essential oil helped to encourage my scalp to grow more hair by increasing the blood flow. So if I massage my hair correctly with this bar, I am not only clarifying, taking away all the stuff that's gonna build up in my hair and prevent the best possible definition and hair day that I can get. The soap pretty much breaks that down. So that's why you gotta keep going in circular motions. I loved how thick it made my hair feel in the process, but immediately upon rinsing it out, you felt your hair super dry, like coming from the beach and clarifying. It was like, oh, I can't even run my fingers through my hair. So what I really appreciated most was the advice on the label. So if you look at the instructions, it tells you for the shampoo bar to remove buildup from your scalp, apply the Clay Detox shampoo bar directly to the scalp and wash in a slow circular motion. Rinse thoroughly and repeat if you need to. I actually did not repeat. I felt like once was more than enough of a deep clean feeling for me. And then follow up with the Tailored Beauty Moisture Penetrating Deep Conditioning Treatment, which, like I said, I have worked with Tailored Beauty in the past. So the fact that I had that just sitting in my closet waiting for me, it was like a match made in heaven. So this is the Tailored Beauty Moisture Penetrating Deep Conditioner Treatment from the Golden Herbal Collection. And I'm going to show you exactly how I deep condition using this. I actually love how very thick the formula is. It smells very good. So I actually had a blast from the past memory when I smelled this for the first time. It's a thick white consistency formula, kind of like a lotion. And the smell reminded me so much of a cream my mom used to use on both herself and me when I was really small, which was Dove Pond's Dove cream, something like that. And I've always loved the smell. It was comforting since I was a kid. So the fact that this smells like that was just like, I felt so reassured. In my head, I went back to a simpler time in my life and remembered how great my skin felt with Pond's, even though I didn't know it had so many silicones in it. Anyway, that's not the point. After using the deep conditioner for 15 minutes with my Q Redo hair steamer, as you can see, I went on to style using the Tailored Beauty Penetrating Leave-In Treatment Conditioner. This is a leave-in, and along with the Tailored Beauty Perfect Coils Curling Jelly, which is my absolute favorite gel. So these two applied after the shampoo bar and the deep conditioner is what gave me these beautifully, beautifully defined curls. So honestly, I am so happy with this wash day. My curls feel so unbelievably soft. This is how I want my hair to feel after a wash day. I want my hair to feel super soft. I want to feel smooth, moisturized curls. I want to see that shine. I don't want to just see definition but my hair feel wonky to myself, because then that doesn't feel like a proper wash day. So as you can see, I have beautiful curls that just bounce right back into place. So that means my moisture versus protein levels, my moisture protein levels are very good. And my hair is very light, meaning it is properly cleansed. There is no dandruff on my scalp at all, especially considering that I used a scalp scrubber as well after using the actual shampoo bar on my scalp. Honestly, my real thoughts on the Tailored Beauty Clay Detox Shampoo Bar with bentonite clay, you have to try this out. If you are anything like my best friend's really into all natural hair care but sustainable kind of packaging. So she hates the plastic bottles and stuff like that that can add to our environmental waste. So a shampoo bar is one of the best ways to continue to safely clarify your hair, and not only that, give you beautiful moisturized curls at the end of your wash day. You need a good shampoo to really just cleanse your hair, because if you're using the original curly girl method and you see acidic rinses alone and co-washing are not working for you, then it tells you for your particular regimen, for your life, that a shampoo is just easier. And what could be easier than a little shampoo bar like this that smells like peppermint? So it's gonna deliver that nice, beautiful, clean scent. It's gonna give you a rich foam that spreads very quickly through your hair if your hair is soaking wet. And it's gonna allow you to just really, girl, treat yourself. Honestly, it's such a thick and luxurious foam. It really made me feel like I was using some super ridiculous expensive product, when honestly, it is not. Tailored Beauty, thank you so much. Rich moisturizing foam while you have it on, and when you rinse it off, it is a perfectly clarified, I mean, that is a deep clean feeling that I have, and I have weightless curls right now. So that's how you know this shampoo did the shampoo did the job. So honestly, Tailored Beauty, thank you so much for sending me this bar. I am in love with it. I will definitely be purchasing more in October when it drops on the website. So I hope you guys do too, and I hope you guys like this tutorial. Let me know in the comments below what do you think, and any other questions you have on the shampoo are coming soon, okay? So I hope you guys have a great curl day, and I will see you for the next video. Bye.